What's up, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 back at you once again here. What we got here today is a 48-inch Banvil Envirofan Silverline industrial ceiling fan. This is a model 60F-9-1. This fan here was manufactured back in 2000, and these are pretty cool and pretty cool industrial fan here. They are the second tier in Banvil's lineup of industrial fans that they offered. They had the gold line, the silver line, the bronze line. They also had a specialty model called the orange line. I forget what kind of specialty characteristic the orange line had that differed from the bronze, gold, and silver lines. But yeah, I think the orange line was like a wet location rated fan, if I'm not mistaken. But the gold line was the top of the tier with a cast iron motor. The silver line was the second tier. This one has a stamped motor, but this one's actually a heavy duty industrial fan rated. The gold line's actually an extra heavy duty industrial fan rated. And the bronze line, I believe, was just only rated for commercial use, light duty use. And there may have been some other models I'm not mentioning as well, who knows. But you can still get these fans today along with the gold line. I don't think the bronze line's available anymore, but I had never really checked, so I really don't know. But yeah. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and give this thing a demonstration. We're using a 5-speed wall control for testing purposes. Now this is one of 10 fans that I've pulled out of a Toys R Us store of this type here. As you can tell, the upper canopy there is from a leading edge, which is what these 10 fans replaced, was originally leading edge 48-inch fans from the mid-90s. Due to failing bearings, because the bearings on the leading edge fans, like I mentioned in these couple past videos, are just total crap. Now, the leading edge fans only seem to last like 5 or 6 years before failing and had to be replaced with these in 2000 if the fans were installed in 1994 or 1995-ish. And this fan here has been going strong since 2000. So from the time it was pulled out back just a month ago in 2019, 19 years, the bearings on this fan are still almost dead silent. So yeah. Here's speed number 2. It's got a bit of a wobble. The blades are a little bit out of a true alignment. It's kind of hard to align these industrial blades here. But thankfully this is actually one of the better sets of the bunch that I've got of blades. Some of them have just been beat up and mangled a little bit. Yeah, I got 8 of these left. I actually gave 2 of them away to a fellow collector who stopped by the house. So I've got 8 of these left. I really don't know what the heck I'm going to do with them. I'll probably keep like 4 of them for future use. I might sell off the other 4 or whatever. I don't know yet. Speed number 3. Also, the down rod on the fan is off of the leading edge. That didn't replace as well. I think these were sold with like 12-inch down rods originally. This down rod here is like a 24-inch down rod, which is what came standard on the leading edge fans. So as you can see, we're already doing a pretty decent RPM, probably like 200, 210. Like I said, very low pitch as well, so very high speed motor, akin to all industrial fans. Like these are one of the better industrials you can buy these days. This thing is already on speed number 4. It does a very good job of pushing the air around too. The 48-inch models, I think these are available in 56-inch, I believe 48, and that's about it. I don't think they made a 36-inch Silverline series, but I may be wrong. It's the 56-inch ones are the most common. The 48-inch ones here are not as easily found, actually. And here's the high speed. So the high speed here, we're probably doing around maybe 260, 270 RPM. Like I said, a very good air mover. And prepare yourself, this is going to be a very long spin down. I think the Silverline series was introduced sometime in the mid to late 90s, if I'm not mistaken. The gold line's been around since the late 70s. The bronze line, I really don't know much about the bronze lines really to even tell. They were probably introduced around the same time as the Silverline series here is. And of course we call them the silver line, gold lines, and bronze lines due to the fact that the color coding on the decorative strip on the side of the motor there, which of course is silver emblem tag there on the lower canopy that denotes the brand name. The gold lines had a gold line, of course, gold tag, and then the bronze lines had a bronze color line, of course, and a bronze tag as well. Even the orange lines had, of course, orange line, orange label. Just the thing that Envirofan did. But it's kind of, this design of motor here is just specific for the Silverline series, I believe, and they are very akin to safer fans that made new tone, like the Slim line, the original Pro line. A lot of safer made industrials had that very similar design motor, so I'm not sure. So who knows if Banvil actually took their patents and designed the motor off of themselves after Safer went under in the 90s, I would guess, or even earlier. I really don't know, but it's just a speculation because they are very similar to design. Similar in design, so I was wanting to tell. But yeah, the bearings on this fan for being 19 years of running almost constantly are still incredible. Definitely far, far superior than the leading edge fans that this fan replaced. They probably make a very slight noise, but it's still very incredible for being 19 years of a fan that was used in a Toys R Us store hanging in 30 odd some feet in the air. Well, it may not have been 30, probably 20 odd some feet in the air. So you know damn well that these are ran pretty much 24/7 probably. Because a lot of times these fans were installed up in the high ceilings like that to push heat down from the ceiling onto the floor in the winter time, and cooling as well, really. Still coasting. And here it comes to a stop finally. So thank you for watching, and of course I do hope you enjoyed this video on this 48-inch Banvil Envirofan Silverlines Industrial Ceiling Fan Model 60F9-1. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And of course, we'll see you next time.